Phew! Snow day. Isn't often we get snow. So I had to come out for a spin, even though it's freezing. What's the crack? Are you well? You never see a motorbike before or something? That's the Galties. Relax, lads, relax. It's the Galties over there in the distance. I see a lot of snow on them today. That's the sun over there from our solar system. That'd be Doon then over there. We'll chance the ladder in the snow. Whey! Slipping. Come on, you can do it! My God, it's actually kind of difficult. Do you know what? I'm going back down. Oh shit. Ooh, I got a face full of snow off the branches. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas everywhere we go, with the snow on the road and the snow on the hills. Oh man, some job thought this was cocaine. Hello, doggy. Hello. You're friendly, aren't you? Hello. Hello. Hello, hussy. Nearly fell into the field. Who wants a pet? Tractor going down there. Hello. What's going on? What? And a pet? Come on, I'm nice. I just want to pet you. There's thick all grass there for you, is there? Fuck's sake, it's a bit of grass. Jeez, my hand's freezing. I could look. God bless.